Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to withdraw your XRP from XMO to your Arculus wallet in 2025, you've come to the right place. With crypto evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you do it securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, let's break it down so you can get your assets moving in no time. First things first, make sure your XMO account is fully verified and your Arculus wallet is set up and ready. Security is crucial in the crypto world, so double-check everything before you start. Step 1. Log into your XMO account using your email and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to verify that too. Step 2. Once logged in, head to the Wallets or Balances section. Here, you'll see your XRP holdings. Click on the Withdraw option, which is usually found under a menu like Funds, or directly in your asset list. Step 3. Select XRP from the drop-down menu of available cryptocurrencies. Double-check that you're on the correct network. XRP typically uses the XRP ledger. Step 4. Enter your Arculus wallet address. This is super important. Copy and paste it directly from your Arculus app to avoid any typos that could lead to lost funds. Step 5. Specify the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Keep in mind any network fees or minimum withdrawal limits, which might have updated by 2025. Step 6. Review all the details, then complete the two-factor authentication if prompted. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Step 7. Hit the Confirm button and wait for the transaction to process. It could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Arculus wallet to confirm your XRP has arrived. If you encounter any issues, reach out to XMO support right away. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw XRP from XMO to Arculus wallet in 2025. This process keeps your assets safe and under your control. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.